which words are used in this story. I know that this story before you listen in Marathi language. You listen in Marathi language. But today I will try to give the so many new words for you. So listen. The title of story is The Lion and a Mouse. Once upon a time, there were a big green forest. Big green forest. In that forest, so many animals, lion, tiger, camel, deers, etc. In that forest, a hunter came there and hunt so many animals. The king of jungle. Who is king of jungle?
Lion.
Very good. Lion. One day, a lion sleep under the tree. Take the rest. He want to take the rest. He sleep. At that time, a mouse came there. And what is the nature of mouse? What is the nature of mouse? Only wandering here and there, a nibble, a fruits nibble. So he played there and he saw the lion sleep. So he climbed on the back of the lion. He climbed on the back of that lion. He played up, down, up, down, up, down. So, lion wake up. Lion wake up. And he become angry. And he caught the mouse in his paw. He caught the mouse in his paw and said, "You little animal, you play on me, on my back, you climb on my back, I will eat you. I will eat you." A mouse said, "Oh king, please leave me, please leave me, please forgive me. If you leave me, I will help you in future. I will help you in future." Lion laughed. "You little mouse, you will help me. I am the king of jungle. And you help me? This is impossible. This is impossible." A mouse said, "Please forgive me, please leave me." At last, the lion leaves that mouse. So mouse became happy and he ran away in that jungle. After some days, a hunter came in the jungle. He put his net in that jungle. He put his net in that jungle. After some time, a lion came there, sit there. But what happened? He got in that net. He got in that net. And when he tried to escape from that net, he can't escape. He can't escape. He roared loudly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. listen by that mouse. This sound, listen by that mouse. He thought, oh, this is the sound of that lion who pursued me, who knew me. And at that time, I told him, I will help you in future. I will help you in future. So he run fast and come to the lion and said, "Oh king, don't be frightened, don't be afraid, don't be frightened. I will help you. Please give me some time." So he ran away fast, and what happened? He called his so many friends. He called so many friends. Please help my friend lion. So many mice, so many came there, and they nibbled that net, and they nibbled the net, and escaped the lion. Lion will become very happy. He thanks to that mouse, and they became very good friends. They became very good friends. So, what is the moral of this story? What is the moral of story? What is the moral of this story, lion and mouse? Who can say? हा मराठी सांगू शकता ना? गोष्ट तुम्हाला समजलेली आहे, मराठी तुम्ही ही गोष्ट वाचलेली आहे, ऐकलेली आहे. कोणाची गोष्ट आहे ही? कोणाची गोष्ट आहे? सिंह आणि उंदीर. तुम्हाला गोष्टी माहित आहे की नाही? मग काय बोध घेणार? What is the moral of this story? Everybody can help the other. Everybody can help other.